Eastern Plains as snow and wind beats up on our Colorado neighbors.
Interstates have been shut down for more than 12 hours, and they might not even open until tomorrow. So State Patrol says blizzard conditions are just too dangerous. Now, although it doesn't look like there's a ton of accumulation, snowdrifts can be feet high. This is what people in Fort Morgan are dealing with. People, cattle, livestock, all at risk in these conditions.
Now, the storm did dump in the high country as well, so if skiers can bear the single-digit temperatures, and I know you can, it is for sure a powder day at most of our ski resorts. Looks like about 10 inches at Winter Park. Pretty good looking snowfall up there. All right, here in the Front Range, just a few flurries flying around.
Yeah, really, it stayed pretty dry in the Denver and metro areas. We have team coverage. Lauren has your first alert on what's next, and our Marissa Armas has been following the conditions in Fort Morgan since 10 o'clock last night. Marissa, I-70 has been closed all day long.
It has, McKaylee, but the situation here has gravely changed. Earlier today when we were reporting, we were seeing crazy snow falling in those crazy high winds, but we're now seeing the calm of that blizzard. We're no longer seeing snow falling right now, and the winds are here and there, touch and go. They're coming and going. Now, a lot of this town here in Fort Morgan has looked like a ghost town. Many of these roads and streets obviously still closed, and as you mentioned, Highway 76 also still closed. Now, to recap some of what we were seeing earlier this morning and this afternoon, it was very windy and lots of wind causing those whiteout conditions. Visibility very low. Many cars were stranded on the roads, and the county sheriff told us that around noon there was a three semi-truck pileup where three of those semis slid, crashed into one another, and they had to send rescue crews out there to help those folks. Now, Highway 76 again still closed in both directions, but we're waiting to see if that will soon be reopened now that some of this snow has stopped and that these winds have calmed down. Now, here at the Emergency Operations Center is the Colorado 4x4 Rescue and Recovery Team. You can see a lot of their vehicles are actually lined up here. We actually just spoke with a team member here, and he tells me that throughout the day, they've responded to about 16 incidents, not only just helping people who were stranded on those roads, but also taking people to the hospital that may have needed some assistance. So again, we're going to continue to stay out here, and we'll bring you those updates as we get those. Reporting in Fort Morgan, Marissa Armas covering Colorado First.
And Marissa, we appreciate your reports all day for us, and please stay warm out there.
All right, let's check in with Laura now in the Weather Center. The storm